Hello children, welcome back. Today we will see Standard A Subject English Grammar Chapter 1 The Sentence Part 2. Today we will see forming the negative. So in the previous classes we have seen declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and imperative sentences. Today we will see forming the negative. How to make the sentence negative. To form the negative sentences, we add the word not after the first auxiliary verb. This is a good book. This is not a good book. See, let us an example. This is a good book. See the sentence. This is a good book. How to change into negative sentence? See, here they have written. We add the word not after the first auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb here? Not. Is. So we add negative word not after the first auxiliary. Here we have only one auxiliary verb is. So how to write? This is not a good book. This is not a good book. See one more example. We have found the book. Here we have two verbs, rather two word verbs. We have found the book. Another example. We have found the book. So in this you say have found is the verb. So we have to add negative form, negative word not after the first auxiliary. Here this is auxiliary. So not here. So now write sentence. We have not found the book. This is the negative form of the sentence. If there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, as in the present simple and simple past sentences, we add the auxiliary verb do plus not before the main verb. The main verb then is used in its base form, which the auxiliary verb changes according to person, number, and tense. Let us see an example. They traveled to the city. They traveled to the city. They traveled to the city. So, if there is auxiliary verb, very easy to make negative form by adding negative word not after the auxiliary verb. But in this sentence concern, there is no negative, rather there is no auxiliary verb. How to make it negative? Look at this word, travel. This is how to divide. How to divide? Did plus travel. See, now you have auxiliary verb here. But traveled can be split into auxiliary and base form of the verb. So what tense? It is in past tense. Past tense means here past auxiliary. Now it's very easy to make negative. How to make negative? They, then auxiliary word did, and you know it. We have to add negative form after the auxiliary verb. So add negative not. Then the verb travel. Then write remaining to the city. This how we have to make negative when there is no auxiliary verb given in the sentence. We have to divide like this. Kamala writes poetry. Let's see one more example. Kamala writes poetry. Here also we don't have auxiliary verb, but we can create. Look at this verb writes. What tense it is? It is present tense, simple present. So how to divide? Do plus write. This how we divide this verb. Now it's very easy. So it's not do, it is does. Because Kamala is third person singular. So if there is third person singular, the auxiliary verb is does. So we have to be little careful when we use do, when we use does. Now write the sentence Kamala and put auxiliary verb does and add the negative not and write the verb write, does not write, and remaining words does not write poetry. This how we change the sentence into negative form. There are certain rules given to make negative. Let us see. Verb be, add not after the verb. Example, the money is in the safe. The money is not in the safe. Then, in case of assertive and imperative, other verbs like add to plus not before the main verb. The main verb is then used in its base form and the verb do changes according to person and tense. As I said, third person singular, he, she, it takes auxiliary verb does. Other persons take do in present tense. Example, Riya writes well. So how to change? Riya does not write well or doesn't write well. We went home early. Went means past tense. So we did not go home early. Cut the ribbon. How to change? Do not cut the ribbon or don't cut the ribbon. With an auxiliary verb including modals, we add not after the auxiliary verb and the main verb is then used in its base form or the participle form. Example, we will reach on time. We will not reach on time. They have finished the assignment. They have not finished the assignment. So this how we change negative. The word not is added after the auxiliary verb when auxiliary verb plus not combination is used in its correct form. However, if the contracted form is not used, not comes after subject. Like, are we leaving now? So, how to change negative? Aren't we leaving now? So, this comes in the interrogative sentences. To make interrogative sentence into negative. Do you like sports? How to change the negative? Don't you like sports? Or do you not like sports? Either or we can write. Were they waiting for you? So how to change the negative? Weren't they waiting for you? Or were they not waiting for you? Either you can write in short form or in full form. In type of exclamatory, how to change into negative? Negative questions forms are used but with an exclamation mark instead of a question mark. How? It's a lovely day. It's an exclamatory sentence. How to make it negative? Isn't it a lovely day? And don't put question mark, we put exclamatory mark. How wonderful. It's an exclamatory sentence. How to change it negative? Isn't it wonderful? So we don't put question mark there, we put exclamatory mark. So these are the few rules to form negative. Okay, children, we come to the end of the first lesson, the sentence, and once again go through the textbook if you have, and if you have any doubt you can ask. And we have exercise 3, and do it properly, listen to the video, and get the answers right, and send to me as soon as possible. Thank you.